Happy Make It a Great Day Monday. Today is April 18th, which is National Tax Day. Fun fact. Now, the IRS didn't appear on the scene until 1861. That's when the federal government began to assess, levy, and collect taxes through its power to seize property and income. Abraham Lincoln signed it into law. The first ever income tax was signed during the ongoing Civil War. You ask, what can I do to celebrate National Tax Day? Well, after you're done, you can have a tax day cocktail. Yes, it does exist. That would be gin, sweet vermouth, and orange juice with a dash of bitters and celebrate. You can also host a tax day potluck party, have your friends, coworkers, and neighbors over your house, and you can give out awards for people with the most unique write-offs. You can give awards for the person who finished and did their taxes first. Make it fun with the different awards that you give out. You can also make a vow to do your taxes earlier next year and be more prepared. Whatever you do today, I want to congratulate you for finishing. Give yourself a pat on the back. Have a tax day cocktail. And don't forget to tune in next Monday to my channel. Until then, have a wonderful week.